Bitcoin just recently hit and crossed the $40,000 mark for the first time in weeks. The entire cryptocurrency market is on a fair ride back to the top. According to CoinMarketCap, the foremost cryptocurrency aggregator, the global crypto market cap is $1.63 trillion, a 4.7% decrease over the last day. The total volume in the decentralized finance sphere is valued at $1.85 billion, about 24% of the daily volume in the overall cryptocurrency market. Stablecoins are coming up with a volume of $2.63 billion, which is 30% of the total crypto market's trading volume over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's dominance is conveniently placed at around 39.6%, increasing 35% over the day. And the recent devaluation in the United States dollar has helped the XRP to USD pair recover some of its previous day's losses, mainly encountered on Sunday. Despite the recent price push across the board, XRP's price still hovers around the 80 cents margin, with XRP moving sideways in a far too significant pattern that indicates that the coin is ready for a breakout. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. Now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comments. We have the XRP USD sideways market swings in place as we brace ourselves for a breakout to the upside. The depreciating value of the world's reserve currency, the US dollar, also played an essential role in putting the price of XRP up above against the USD pair over the weekend. XRP as of Monday opened at 88.8 cents, reaching a daily high of about 93 cents against 24 hours low of 86 cents, then closed at 89 cents. At present, XRP has an hourly low of 85 cents versus an hourly high of 86 cents. On the 24-hour chart, XRP placed a high of 88 cents alongside a low of 85. At the same time, it reached a high of 93 and a low of 80 on the 7-day chart. And over the last 30 days, it's maintained a high of $1.70 and a low of 65 cents. The XRP-USD pair has partly managed to recover from a portion of its previous dips. The total valuation of cryptocurrencies was seen to have dropped for 2 consecutive sessions, with a sudden retracement back to the uptrend on Sunday. Before that, a few days earlier, the council's backing, Ripple Labs, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and its executive chairman Chris Larsen, collectively termed as the defendants, had filed a motion asking the court to constrain the SEC towards producing documents on how they classify cryptocurrencies. In the lawsuit with the SEC and following some of the now trending news in the Ripple versus SEC case, the SEC has filed its response to Ripple's motion to compel the SEC to turn over the internal Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP documents Judge Netburn has already twice told them to turn over. Ripple had demanded the disclosure of all the official documentation between the SEC and any other third-party agents regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum, as such information could help the general public to unearth the reasons behind the Commission's consideration of Ripple as a security, whereas similar cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities rather than securities like XRP. This move arises from the SEC's insistent refusal to provide the said documents even after a persistent plea by the presiding magistrate, Judge Sarah Netburn. In March, Ripple alleged that the SEC was improperly withholding relevant information, potentially exculpatory evidence, that would exonerate Ripple and its top 2 executives. Ripple's lawyers filed a motion to compel the SEC to provide these documents that reflect the SEC's prior statements and communications with third parties, as well as internal documents discussing whether XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum are considered securities. Following Ripple's statement, the SEC had argued that these documents were not relevant to the case, even after the judge had acknowledged that it was. Despite repeated requests from Judge Sarah Netburn, the motion to compel the SEC to hand over these documents has created some back and forth between the 2 parties and Judge Netburn. In what's regarded by financial analysts and crypto proponents as the cryptocurrency trial of the century, this back and forth movement in the SEC lawsuit has kept the value of XRP under some sort of pressure over the weekend. Concurrently, the declining price of the US dollar played a crucial role in raising the price of XRP over the weekend. The greenback underwent some severe pressure after the US dollar index dipped to the 90.03 level, accompanied by a significant decline in the US Treasury yields in the wake of underperforming financial market data regarding job creation, as presented by the United States Labor Department on Friday, the 11th of June. During the recent downswing, we've had a little bit of a spike to the upside. It was a spike that only involved a few coins, but essentially over the weekly chart, we could say that we've had a little bit of a spike on all altcoins across the board, which is once again an indication of high volatility. However, for XRP, we expect that the support can hold, as we see right now. Looking out on the bright side, there's a governing inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 7-day chart. And this 80 cents level for XRP corresponds to the prices back in December 2017 and February 2018. XRP is looking to be ready to hit the skies, as this 4-hour chart shows that it's prepared to go higher, given the fact that the price could not break out of the support level and has continued to consolidate around that price marker. However, in the short term, the price of XRP could bounce back, making a move up to its resistance area. XRP's price could break to the upside, creating a new uptrend after that. At that point, we have ourselves a potentially perfect entry point to buy into XRP. With our next target, the closest possible resistance level is at $1.11. Following the trend, and according to expert analysis, the reasons behind the inability of XRP to attract newer investors, despite its price after holding above the 80 cents level, arises from the idea that XRP is headed for a significant dive to the support back in May at 65 cents, and perhaps extending the downtrend further down to 50 cents. Nonetheless, we've seen XRP eagerly embrace the 80-cent support level for quite some time now, a move that would allow the bulls to push the price to even higher levels. Although throughout the start of the week, till this very moment, the cross-border payment settlement token has not made any significant gains above 90 cents. We all know that all major swings and exponential increments with the XRP coin always happens when we least expect them, for those of us in the XRP community who are familiar with the trend. As of right now, the price of XRP is hovering between the 85 to 88 cents margin, an indication that we might as well be on our way for a breakout, an explosion out of our weeks-long resistance level below $1. So far, we have a pivot point at 93 cents to 94 cents, with the XRP to USD technical levels so far bearing support at 93 cents, along with a resistance of 95 cents. Next up is the support of about 92 cents and a resistance of 96 cents. Next in line after that is a 98 cents resistance level on top of a 91 cent support group. Again, on the XRP to USD daily technical levels, the XRP to USD pair has been trading sideways for a while now, while maintaining a wider trading window between $1.07 to 79 cents. At which point, the market could make tremendous gains if the bulls could take hold of the market. A bullish trend leading to a crossover at the $1.07 price margin could further accelerate the buying propensity in XRP. This move will most likely transcend its price above that to the next resistance area of $1.30, at which point we conveniently register a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, with the moving average convergence and divergence line crossing above the signal is an indication of a bullish trend, calling upon investors to increase their profit margin for those already invested, or boost their exposure in anticipation of gains towards above the dollar mark. As against the MACD line crossing beneath the signal line, which would imply that losses would take greater precedence. Currently, from all indications, the former is the case here. Aside from the 80-cent support level, all other key points are the 70, 65, and 50 cents key zones. We're registering quite some rigid support on the lower side, on the flip side as the asset continues to hold firm around the 79 cents area. At this pace, both the MACD and the Relative Strength Index both hint about an impending bullish trend, just as the exponential moving average supports a selling bias. The moral of the story? Buy trade on a break out of the $1.07 price margin. That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group via the links in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section, and we'll see you next time.
Hollywood car set.